Preventing mold in your kitchen is crucial for maintaining a healthy home. Begin by regularly checking areas prone to moisture, such as under sinks, around appliances, and along windowsills. Ensure proper ventilation by using exhaust fans when cooking to eliminate steam and humidity. Wipe down surfaces immediately after spills and clean up any standing water. Regularly clean and dry dishcloths and sponges to avoid mold growth. Store food correctly. Perishables should be refrigerated, and dry goods sealed tightly. Regularly inspect and clean your refrigerator's drip pans and door seals. Use dehumidifiers in humid climates to maintain an optimal humidity level below 50%. By incorporating these simple steps into your kitchen maintenance routine, you can effectively prevent mold growth, safeguarding your family's health and your home's integrity. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at busmold.com or through our app.